When you think of European fighter jets, a few big names immediately come to mind. There's the formidable Eurofighter Typhoon, Sweden's agile Saab Gripen, and of course the French masterpiece, the Dassault Rafale. These jets represent the cutting edge of European aviation, each with its own unique strengths and stories. Among them, the Rafale stands out, not just for its raw performance, but for its unmistakable French flair and style. It's a jet that's as much about national pride as it is about military might. The Rafale is more than a war machine. It's a statement of engineering excellence and bold ambition. Many consider it the most complete and well-rounded fighter jet in Europe today, blending power, agility, and advanced technology into a single, formidable package. Unlike jets built for a single purpose, the Rafale was designed from the ground up to do it all: air combat, precision bombing, reconnaissance, and even nuclear deterrence, sometimes all within a single mission. This multi-mission capability is rare and highly valued. This omni-role capability makes the Rafale incredibly versatile and highly sought after by air forces around the world. It can operate from land bases or aircraft carriers, adapting to any mission thrown its way. So what makes the Rafale so special? It's a unique blend of its sleek delta-wing design, powerful twin engines, and a cockpit packed with cutting-edge avionics and digital systems. Every detail is engineered for performance and pilot comfort. The Rafale isn't just about brute force. It's about being smarter, quicker, and more adaptable than anything else in the sky. Its agility and advanced sensors give it a decisive edge in any dogfight or mission scenario. Think of it as a flying supercomputer with wings and a very big stick, capable of making split-second decisions and delivering overwhelming firepower when needed. In this deep dive, we'll explore what truly sets the Rafale apart, from its innovative design philosophy to its impressive combat record and operational flexibility. We'll also compare it to its main European rivals, the Typhoon and the Gripen, in the ultimate continental showdown to see which jet reigns supreme. Plus, we'll take a closer look at its impressive arsenal, the latest weapon upgrades, and the constant innovations that keep the Rafale ahead of the game in a rapidly evolving world. This is a story of ambition, relentless innovation, and a dash of unmistakable French pride, a testament to what happens when a nation pours its heart and soul into a single aircraft. Strap in, because we're about to discover why the Dassault Rafale might just be Europe's ultimate fighter jet. Let's get started on this high-flying journey. The name Rafale means gust of wind in French, a name that perfectly captures the spirit and performance of this remarkable aircraft. It's a fitting title for a jet that's not only fast and agile, but also delivers a powerful punch in the skies, living up to its stormy namesake. Built by Dassault Aviation, the Rafale was born from France's desire for independence, a jet designed specifically for French needs, not shaped by international compromise or outside influence. Its design is instantly recognizable: a large sweeping delta wing that provides both speed and the ability to carry heavy payloads, and canards near the cockpit that give the Rafale exceptional agility, allowing it to outmaneuver opponents with ease. This unique combination gives the Rafale both rock-solid stability at high speeds and razor-sharp nimbleness in a dogfight, making it a formidable adversary in any aerial battle. But the real genius lies in its omni-role mission capability: one jet, many jobs, seamlessly switching between roles as the mission demands. The Rafale can transition from air combat to ground attack to reconnaissance, all within a single flight without needing to return to base or reconfigure. Versions include the single-seat Rafale C, the two-seat Rafale B for training and special missions, and the carrier-capable Rafale M, which can operate from the decks of aircraft carriers in challenging sea conditions. Impressively, the Naval and Air Force versions share about 95% of their parts, a testament to smart, practical design that simplifies maintenance and logistics. The Rafale family is built for versatility and power, ready to take on any challenge, day or night, in any environment. It's not just a fighter, it's a true force multiplier, enhancing the effectiveness of every mission it joins. That's the essence of the Rafale. One jet, endless possibilities, always adapting to the needs of the mission. Let's dive deeper and see what makes this incredible machine tick. The Rafale is what pilots call a carefree handling jet. Thanks to its digital fly-by-wire system, it's incredibly agile and responsive. Its two Snecma M88-2 engines are compact, powerful, and fuel-efficient, giving it impressive range and the ability to supercruise, fly supersonic without afterburners. But the real magic is in its electronics. The RBE-2 ESA radar can track air and ground targets simultaneously, jam enemy signals, and provide unmatched situational awareness. Then there's Spectra, the Rafale's electronic warfare suite, a guardian angel that detects, jams, and counters enemy threats. Spectra creates a protective bubble, making the Rafale tough to detect and even tougher to target. This fusion of agility, power, and advanced electronics is what makes the Rafale a formidable package. It's not just about flying fast, it's about fighting smart. The Rafale systems give pilots the edge in any scenario. That's why it's respected and feared by adversaries. Now let's see how it stacks up against its rivals. Time for the big question. When it comes to Europe's finest, which jet truly stands out as the best of the best? Is it the French Rafale, the Eurofighter Typhoon, or the Swedish Saab Gripen? Each has its own strengths, unique design philosophy, and loyal supporters. The Typhoon is a pure air superiority fighter, fast, powerful, and dominant in a dogfight. Its agility and thrust make it a formidable opponent in the skies, especially when it comes to close-quarters aerial combat. Its multi-role abilities came later, allowing it to take on ground attack and strike missions, but its roots are firmly in air-to-air supremacy. The Rafale, designed as an omnirole fighter from the very beginning, can seamlessly switch missions mid-flight, giving it unmatched flexibility and adaptability in rapidly changing combat scenarios. The Gripen is the pragmatic choice, affordable, easy to maintain, and able to operate from short, improvised runways. It's designed for nations that need a capable fighter without the massive logistical footprint, though it does have less raw power and payload than its rivals. In a high-speed dogfight, the Typhoon might have the edge, using its speed and maneuverability to outturn and outclimb opponents. But in complex modern battles, the Rafale's advanced sensor fusion and Spectra electronic warfare system often tip the scales, giving it a technological advantage. The Rafale's ability to integrate data from multiple sources, radar, sensors, and allied aircraft, gives its pilot a clearer, faster, and more complete picture of the battlefield, enabling quicker, smarter decisions. The Gripen excels at networked operations, hunting in packs with advanced data links. It's built for teamwork, sharing information seamlessly with other jets and ground stations. Where the Rafale has surged ahead is in export success. Recent deals with Egypt, Qatar, India, Greece, Indonesia, and the UAE have made it a global bestseller, outpacing its European rivals in international sales. Its proven combat record, reliability, and omnirole design have won over buyers worldwide, making it a favorite for air forces seeking versatility and performance. While all three jets are excellent in their own right, the Rafale's versatility, advanced technology, and recent export streak have cemented its status as a top-tier European fighter. It's not just a contender, it's a champion, recognized both on the battlefield and in the global marketplace. But how does it perform in real combat? Let's find out as we dive deeper into its operational history and battlefield achievements. Technology is one thing, but real-world combat is the true test. The Rafale proved itself in Afghanistan and shined in Libya, flying deep strike missions, air patrols, and precision bombings, all in one campaign. Its Spectra system kept it safe from enemy air defenses, and its flexibility let pilots adapt to any mission on the fly. The Rafale's agility even made headlines in training, reportedly besting an American F-22 in a close-range mock dogfight. In Iraq and Syria, it delivered precision strikes and gathered vital intelligence, showing its value as a reliable, combat-proven platform. These real-world missions validated the Rafale's design and led to crucial upgrades. Its combat record is a major reason for its export success. The Rafale isn't just good on paper, it's a proven warrior. A fighter jet is only as good as its weapons, and the Rafale's arsenal is world-class. For air-to-air combat, it carries Mica missiles, both infrared and radar-guided, plus the long-range Meteor, considered the best in its class. For ground attack, the AASM Hammer turns standard bombs into precision weapons, and the Scalp EG cruise missile delivers stealthy, long-range strikes. Advanced sensors like the OSF system let the Rafale detect targets passively, staying hidden from enemy radars. Targeting pods like Damocles and Talios guide laser bombs and assess battle damage from afar. The Rafale is constantly upgraded. The F4 standard brings better radar, improved spectra, and smarter weapons. Future upgrades will add AI and drone teaming, keeping the Rafale at the cutting edge. Designed in the 1980s, it's still evolving, future-proof and ready for decades to come. The Rafale's arsenal makes it a true multi-mission powerhouse. It's not just versatile, it's lethal. But its journey hasn't always been smooth. The Rafale's path to success wasn't easy. For years, it struggled with export sales, seen as too expensive, often losing out to cheaper American or Russian jets. The Indian MMRCA competition was a saga of delays and political hurdles, ending with a much smaller deal than planned. Controversies like Operation Sindoor in India brought political scrutiny, but no convictions. These challenges highlighted the complex politics of arms sales. Yet, recent export wins have turned things around, lowering costs and securing the Rafale's future. Persistence and quality have finally paid off. The Rafale is more than a jet. It's a symbol of French and European independence. France's decision to go it alone, building a jet tailored to its needs, gave it full control over design, production, and upgrades. This autonomy means no foreign restrictions on use or sales, a major strategic advantage. For buyers, the Rafale offers freedom from American or Russian military ecosystems. It supports thousands of European jobs and keeps critical aerospace skills alive. The Rafale showcases what European engineering can achieve: world-class technology, independent of outside powers. As Europe debates its security future, the Rafale stands as proof of its capabilities. It's not just a fighter, it's a statement. So that's the Dassault Rafale, a jet that blends power, intelligence, and versatility like no other. We've seen how it stacks up against the Typhoon and Gripen, and how its combat record and export success have made it a global star. It's a symbol of European ambition and independence, constantly evolving for the future. But now, it's your turn. Which jet gets your vote? Are you Team Rafale, Typhoon, or Gripen? Let us know in the comments, which is Europe's ultimate fighter jet.